In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Blasphemous Skin in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to acquire the Blasphemous outfit in Dead Cells. So this outfit in Dead Cells is called the Penitence outfit. And in order to acquire it, you will need to use the Face Flask. If you don't have the Face Flask, in order to unlock it, in the prisoner's quarters, there is a chance for a lore room to spawn with a prie-dieu, as you can see here. Examining this altar will drop the item, so upon examining this particular altar, you will acquire the Face Flask, which will be needed to unlock the outfit. Picking the skill up will instantly unlock it. So now, once you have this flask, all that you have to do is consume it over and over. Every time that you consume this, after 0.2 seconds, it will damage you. So it is going to damage you with 5 base. So you just keep using this over and over and over again. What you have to do is reduce your health to 0. And when you take the Face Flask and you reduce your health to 0, you will see this message: Secret Blueprint Unlocked, Penitence Outfit. Now you can go over to the tailor room and you will have it available to equip. So all that you have to do is consume the Face Flask over and over again after unlocking it from the lore room in the prisoner's quarters. If this room doesn't appear, just keep reloading because there is a chance for this room to appear once you go to the prisoner's quarters. And upon consuming the Face Flask over and over, you can acquire the Penitence outfit. And I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you unlock the Blasphemous outfit, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us make higher quality content, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.